Right? Oh, guys. Wait. Remember Nikhil Sinapa came into the villa? You know, one big part that they cut, I told Arashi today. I DM'd you also, Kevin. You haven't read it yet. You know what they
I
cut, right?
You said they'd show it next episode.
Are you sure?
The racist part.
Yeah, they cut it off.
It's gonna be there. It's gonna be there. It will be there.
It will be there because there's.
If they cut that scene,
If they cut it, then exactly.
I'm gonna post a complete story about it. Like that, put it live,
Exactly.
explaining
No,
every single thing.
if they, I'm not taking the person's name, but if
Like a whole lot of stuff, bro. Ever since
so,
they.
I have a proposition for the four of y'all.
What are you saying?
Say we'll make notes of everything they have not shown on the show.
Put it
After
on
the show is done, after the show is done, we'll go live and then we'll talk about everything that went down on the show.
That's what we used to do.
Acha, so are we gonna talk about Slitzla 13 2.0? The
Yeah,
God trip as
yeah.
well.
That's what I'm saying. No,
The God trip as well.
Contestants, no, not the God trip, please. Not the God trip, bro.
we need the Oracle also on this live.
I hate Oracle, bro. I hate Oracle. एक बार जा चुका Oracle के सामने. I fucking hate that thing. I fucking hate that thing.
Yeah. Nobody likes that thing. So I don't think anyone likes the Oracle.
Trust me, a lot of people like Oracle, except me.
Let me
I couldn't bond with Oracle.
let me play a rapid fire with you guys.
Okay.
I'll just give you all a random word. I'll eat your burger, man. It's good. I'll give you a random
Where
word.
is Cat, bro? I want Cat.
She's
Cat
declined.
is on the live. She's not on the live.
Acha, ask me, I'll answer.
I'm gonna give you all rapid like this rapid fire words. One word each, okay? I'm gonna give each of you all turns. I'm gonna say a random word like any random word, and you have to only say the first person that pops into your mind, but only the contestants from the show.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Cool.
It's risky, huh? But we're playing now. Okay, I'm gonna start with my first word. Controversial. Yo, mate, this one's for you.
Me.
You taking yourself's name.
Obviously.
He's
Kevin, controversial.
I would say.
He's thinking, should I think ahead of what happened in the game and then say controversial, or should I talk about what's already happened?
I would
Either
say,
way, either way.
I used to be very controversial, but I'm not that controversial anymore. I'm like, thoda sa awake. So, yo,
So
man.
you can
This
say,
time you know.
Yo, mate.
It's me.
Arashi controversial.
Asma.
Asma.
Yeah.
Asma.
Okay, round two, done, the sound done. Arushi,
But bro, no, honestly, I feel like it's
Clown. We don't have to answer that. We don't have to answer that.
because Aditi goes live more often and she talks to more people about the show way more,
Yeah.
but it doesn't get highlighted. Like it's not. That's the
Ooh,
thing.
Aditi.
Yeah. She goes
I've
live,
not attended any of her lives.
get highlighted that much.
Fuck this. Sorry.
Everybody, man. Like, he goes and asks questions like, "Did you hear this guy?" Proper gossip first. Like, you know how?
On her live.
Yeah.
But Kevin, why do you attend her live session?
Talk, but like I don't. I get highlights. I get tagged in my.
Oh, okay.
God, oh my God.
Achha, next word. Clown. We don't have to answer that. Bro.
Hey, you can answer. I mean, if there's a different name from somebody, then
Anyone has a different name for clown? Who do you
Sugar.
think is the clown? Obvious.
okay.
Like you are actually taking the name right here. When you're saying clown, everybody knows who you are talking about.
Okay, another word.
Yes, Cat. Why are you not joining
Baby.
live?
She declined
Ask
Arshi's
Baby?
invite.
Maybe it's not the word Arushi.
What did he say?
Sapna says, I hate that there are people like Arushi who eat all day and don't gain weight.
Exactly.
Yep.
Achha,
I must
your
We
voice
can't
is
hear
cracking.
you. Your voice is cracking, yeah.
Devon, another word.
The second word is fake.
Wait.
Fake.
Fake.
Shivam.
Shoot. Kevin's done. Arushi.
Bro, nobody's like think about it. What is the definition of fake? What is the definition of fake? Somebody that can change like this. Even the girl said it. Even his own girl said it.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll stay away from words and I'll stick to like small sentences because it's more better. Okay, so
Yeah.
my next word is easily influenced.
Easily influenced. Ria.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Yomesh. Ria.
Ria.
Arushi. Arushi, you
Yomesh.
take another name. You don't have to.
Yeah, I knew she was gonna say that. Nah.
No man.
Jomesh doesn't
Okay.
get easily
Acha.
influenced.
Acha.
Second.
Actually,
No, no, no.
Second word.
I have a question. Sympathy seeker.
Sympathy figure.
Sympathy
Ah.
seeker.
Bhumika.
Attention seeker.
Oh my god.
Attention seeker,
Sympathy.
sympathy.
Sympathy, I feel I would say Avantika.
Sympathy, Avantika, yeah. I go with Avantika.
Yeah. I have to go with Avantika. I mean, for
Attention
you.
seeker, Nikhil.
Nikhil though is like
Yeah.
now-
David is very good.
For everybody,
David is
for
very
everybody
good.
watching this right now, Kevin just nominated himself for being president.
Yeah. Exactly. And even when
it's
he's
so-
wrong,
अरे
then
मतलब
also he's like, "अरे ये करना है."
नहीं he knows how to portray himself right
Yeah.
Yeah.
very well and actually there were few conversations जिसकी वजह से ना I kind of know कि Kevin how he plays how he thinks थोड़ा क्योंकि the complete quarantine I was in Kevin's room the complete quarantine we were talking we were doing we just talked so much
But who is this Kevin guy? ये किधर कंधा है?
इधर क्या गुस्सा है भाई?
किधर का गुंडा है भाई तू? Okay, next word. Underdog.
Underdog.
Underdog. Me, day one. But Arushi, yeah, sure.
Boss. Kevin, you're not an underdog. If anything,
Bro,
Yeah, Kevin.
definitely not
Day one, I was.
I would say Dhruv is the
No.
underdog.
I mean, I would say Dhruv. Yeah.
No, I'd
It's
say
Dhruv for
Arushi.
sure. No,
Arushi.
it was Dhruv.
It was Arushi and Asma.
No, it was for sure.
See, if Asma was the underdog, she would have lasted another dog.
See, we're talking about.
For the sake of the public, we shouldn't talk about quarantine.
Yeah.
It's cool now. We can talk about quarantine. That's out of the show. It's not recorded. It's not gonna be
Okay,
there.
another term. Realist in the room.
What?
DLS in the room. Dhruv. I think it's Dhruv.
Dhruv. No, I'd say Dhruv
Dhruv.
is the most emotional person in the room.
Yeah, he's
It's
most
Samarth.
emotional. He's most real. Like he like, no, never.
The most real person
Real,
in
no.
the room. I'd say
Samarth is
Cat.
the politest.
I would say
Yeah,
Cat.
cat. also.
Samarth
Yeah,
is-
cat.
Yeah, Cat is good now. Cat is like, listen, I'm here for fucking years.
8
She
pieces.
doesn't like anyone, she just doesn't like it.
क्या खाएगा? नहीं,
Cat.
Sivan
Sivan
was
is
not.
pretty real too. Yeah.
But the realist was Cat, I think. Cat was like, she used to say it so blunt on my face every fucking time. On
I
everybody's
don't know.
face.
I'll
Anything.
give you a little backstory. I don't know. It was 3 girls going to sleep in one room one day, and I think there was an extra 4th girl who wanted to sleep in the room. And Cat was like, "You're sleeping here, Bencho. There's no place on this bed. I'm going in the other room." I was like, "What the fuck, Cat?"
I mean, this was like the day talking about that day.
I
It's
think
okay,
he's
they don't
talking
even know
about
which
after. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, अच्छा बहुत.
Okay. Next term is smartest worker in the room.
What?
Smartest worker in the room.
Smartest worker in the room.
I'm gonna go out on a limb and actually say Nikhil.
Nah.
Yeah. नहीं मतलब यार, he
Nah.
can be.
See, Nikhil wasn't the smartest.
Nikhil,
Amongst
the blessed
them,
one.
he
The
was.
blessed one. He was the blessed one. He was
Yeah.
blessed.
Yeah, he was blessed.
No, but
Nikhil
look at
was
Nikhil.
fucking blessed.
If you think about Nikhil, he knew when to place cards and when not to place cards.
See, Nikhil was
Actually,
smart, but he
he was
wasn't
He
as
knew,
I think
smart.
that-
he knew when
Cat.
he knew when to fold and when to bluff.
He was smarter than
The
them.
rest of them, the two of
Yeah,
them. Yeah.
that is true. But he wasn't smarter than us.
But
Like,
actually,
I'm
he was
putting-
blessed
I'm
on the
putting-
day one, bro. He was blessed on the day one.
Yeah,
Nobody
he
knew
was.
that's gonna happen.
That's true.
And the game turned out to be different because of that first day.
Okay, I got another one. Unpredictable.
Huh? High five.
Unpredictable, I'd say Trevon. Was
You
Jai.
knew my game, Kevin.
Yeah, Jai. Jai was predictable because like we all know what his game
Unpredictable.
is, how he's gonna play, like what he's gonna do.
It was predictable or unpredictable.
He's saying
Guy was predictable.
Jai was predictable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was unpredictable one. Nobody knew what I'm going to do in next season, next season, next.
Yeah, you were very. You yourself didn't know what you were gonna do. Bro, no man.
Nobody knew. No, nobody knew.
In one point, Romesh must have sat him.
Ramesh was like, Ranvir just started calling
No, it was like Kevin was like, जब हम first session में थे ना, when I was gonna choose Arushi or Bhumika, Kevin and we were like talking, then we
Yeah,
started
I
standing.
saw that.
Kevin, Arushi Bhumika, Kevin, क्या लगता है? मैंने कहा भाई, मैंने कहा आरुषि कंफ्यूज लगती है. कहता मेरे को Kevin कहता मेरे को तू कंफ्यूज लगता है. मैंने कहा बट आरुषि भी कंफ्यूज लगती है. कहता भूमिका कंफ्यूज है. मैंने कहा नहीं है. You're talking man, जो वहाँ पे लोग अपने
they were talking.
everybody students we are talking. And it was like not like a 5 minutes talk. It was like यार मैं एंड में यार एक सिक्का लाओ जल्दी से. I'm gonna flip a card.
Yeah.
See what's the outcome.
Yeah, like step by step.
Combination.
Everything.
Okay, I have the next word. But I pretty much think I know the answer. I'm gonna ask it anyways.
खाना कैसे सबको?
Okay. Nicest in the room.
Samarthya.
Samarthya. Undoubtedly Samarthya.
There's nobody
Easy.
It's funny because there's nobody else contending Samarthya. Speaking of snake, next word is snake.
What?
Speaking of snake, the
Snake.
next word is snake.
Acha, who's the snake?
I want to say a name, but I cannot.
And name a
I
girl
want-
this time?
I want to name a girl. I want to name a girl. I want to
It
name
is
a girl.
Bhumika.
No, go for it. We're not being.
Even I want to name the person who Vyomesh is gonna name.
Ooh, they already.
Vyomesh and
Vyomesh
we
I
are
They
think
gonna
already
name.
it's the
named
same
her.
person.
They already
Yeah.
named. We all named the same person.
It's almost as easy as Samarthya being
But
next.
Arushi, if you have somebody else, then you can name somebody.
Nah, I don't think she has
No, no,
anybody
no,
else.
no,
But hey,
no.
being a snake, it's not. I mean, it's not the worst thing. It gets you. It gets you far in the game sometimes.
Yeah,
It does.
Yeah, we had that happen in Roadies as well. So. I'll get dissing two people different shows. There's too much. Okay, I'm gonna go.
Yala.
It was nice talking to you guys.
Ramesh, what happened to your camera?
Travon, who according to you
He
is
broke
yeah,
it.
I broke it.
I'm gonna go talk to Kat. No wait, bring Kat up. I wanna hear her talk.
finally. Oh, hi, why
Thanks,
did he decline?
Sophie.
Why did he decline
Folio.
the credit?
Why, Kevin? Where is Kevin?
Kevin went. He is like, I'm
Kevin
going
sacrificed
back.
for you.
No, okay, I'm leaving, guys.
You took so long. I was acting like cat for like 10 minutes on the line.
Hi, Tramon, what's
Actually.
up? I'm just gonna ignore Arush. But, hi.
Why ignoring me? I sent you a request. You declined my request. Okay.
It's okay, man. She's become old now, dude. Look at her hair, it's grey and all.
Arush. Everyone thinks you hate me. That's good. Check.
What?
I'm just gonna add filter.
Cat is like I dealt with so much shit in 30 days that my hair became grey.
No, but she looks pretty.
Thanks.
Actually didn't deal with any shit. She be like fuck off.
Pune.
That's it.
What?
Yeah.
This is nice. What's up, Travon?
Travon, ask questions to Kat now. The rapid fire questions.
Oh, so we were playing rapid fire, man. And I
Oh,
was
and-
asking, what? We can't hear you.
Now I'm saying
I can't hear
That. I think
Yes,
only you
that
can do
has
this. You're so blunt.
One.
We were playing rapid
What?
fire and we were asking questions. Like,
Yeah,
like,
okay,
basically you get
yeah.
one word.
Yeah, I did watch that. So
You
just
get
ask me.
one word and you have to name any person from the villa.
Okay, cool.
Okay, so your first word is dumb.
Yeah.
Okay.
Connect.
We've already done. The Arushi and Ramesh have already finished like quite a few rounds. So you,
Two. Both.
no, one
Shivam.
person only. Don't name
Okay.
everybody in the villa.
Shivam is not fake. I won't say fake. He's just stupid. But yeah, like fake pretends to be someone else, like really sweet. That would be Bhumika and Aditi.
Okay. Your next word is what is the other word I asked? Controversial.
Why are you guys not wearing masks? Everyone's asking. Yeah. What are you asking? Sorry.
I have my mask.
Controversial.
I think Nikita.
We're talking about Splitsville, not outside Splitsville.
Actually.
But Kat, I'm going to call you personally and give you some shit for this.
Yeah.
Okay, another controversy. Okay, who is the smartest in the room?
Smartest Kevin.
Acha. Acha.
Wait, no, there's a lot of smart.
I said cat.
I think
Arushi is a
Kevin.
cat, by the way.
You're the sweetest, but I'll.
I'll take some time.
That's not right. Sometimes.
Okay, smartest in the room. Who cries wolf? Do you know what crying wolf is?
That should be Avantika, no?
Yeah. Try to.
Oh, the
Why are you forgetting Arushi? Why?
every day.
Where are you? Where are you, Kat? You're at home.
Oh man, lockdown and shit.
Why are you not going out?
Mumbai.
Curfew, no? At 8 o'clock?
Yeah. Tomorrow I think there's going to be lockdown or something.
Hey, Kat, we are seeing a lot of your reels. We are singing a lot of Hindi music. Why did you never sing in the villa?
यार सन्नी में जो
Are she used to sing, bro? She used to sing. I saw
Yeah.
her singing so many times.
We used to sing together, no? Remember, Umesh?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
Vyomesh and Kat, like, you're gonna give us a duo.
No.
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 Not happening.
Basically, it was like I used to be in Cat's room all the fucking time to talk to Kevin, and Cat was like, "Vyomesh, तेरा अपना room है, तू वहाँ पे जा जल्दी. Leave the room. Leave our room." He used to kick me out of the room.
No, the thing is, I never
You.
kept, I'll tell you one interesting story. I never kept
Me.
chips and biscuits. No, I'll tell you one story. I never kept chips and biscuits in my room ever because whenever I would keep chips and biscuits, my cat would like take all of them. Like all.
Even Nikki used to steal.
Oh, just the one. I asked.
It's actually the opposite. I came to your room once and I took a lot of
It's
chips.
तुम पीछे वाली तरफ मुड़े क्या?
Where are you traveling to next?
Kevin used to drink all the juices in quarantine. I used to take extra juices and give it to Kevin. Kevin used to drink like 10 cokes per day. I have like 10 chips per day. And I used to have it pura khana, jo last for dinner, lunch, and I used to have that. And Kevin used to survive on coke and chips.
Yeah, Kevin used to have a lot of coke.
Have you colored this cat? Have you colored the whole thing grey?
Yeah. But
How are you liking it?
Wow.
I love it. I'm like,
It's like salt and pepper with a lot of salt.
yeah.
Your voice is cracking. We can't hear you, cat.
Can't hear
I want to get
I can't hear you.
the same color highlights.
Yeah.
Do you want to get
really
highlights
nice.
on your hair?
Yeah, it looks really nice.
I'll get it.
Arushi,
I'll get it done before my birthday.
No, I'm not. Please talk about her.
I should eat food.
My brothers have lost the way. Like they were going somewhere and now they've lost. They're asking me कहाँ जाना था.
Your brothers have lost the way. But you also
Yeah.
lost on Splitsvilla, man. Fuck, it runs in the family.
Shut up.
Arushi, who's your ideal match, man? Like, what? We are
Arushi
waiting
was
to see
so
who-
happy when Vimesh saved her. She's like,
Umesh? Yes. Yeah. Because you know why. You know why.
Hey, but what
Cat
are
was like, shit, you were not even
what
friends,
are
though.
what are Cat
Yeah,
and
that
haven't
time
seen
we
them
were.
performing in a
That time we
while.
were.
yeah. What
What
you
are you all
saying?
doing, Cat and Kevin? We haven't seen you
But Cat,
performing in a while.
actually, I wanted
Yeah,
to
so
appreciate
Kevin
when
is in US.
No. I'm saying
No?
in the villa, we haven't seen y'all performing in a while. In the villa.
Oh, yeah, man. Last time,
How did it
remember,
feel,
वो
being-
विमेश के साथ तो झगड़ा हो गया था, but कोई नहीं.
Yeah.
Dude, they're
Last
not.
chance.
So
Like,
we were just discussing
Vimesh's boss.
that there's